Welcome to the Onboarding Process Training for Managers. This course will provide managers with an understanding of what is involved in the onboarding process. Before we get started, let's take a moment to learn some basic navigation of this course. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the course content and where you are in the presentation. Controls at the bottom of the screen let you pause or review slides. You can click the volume icon to adjust sound, click the question mark to be able to read presentation notes or to access help, and there is an option to maximize the screen. Upon completion of this course, you will be able to differentiate the responsible parties for the onboarding process, recognize the manager's role and responsibilities, understand the onboarding process, which begins from the point of the candidate's offer acceptance, and help in creating a positive first-day experience for the new hire. Onboarding Team. The onboarding team is made up of key people who will work together to ensure a positive experience for the new hire. Members of the onboarding team include People Services, the IT group, the manager, a delegate if the manager will not be available on a new hire's first day, the office administrator, and a buddy. This is a collaborative and interdependent team whose efforts produce a successful onboarding experience. Now, let's talk about the responsibilities of each team member. People Services confirms candidate's acceptance of the offer, orders a background check and schedules a drug screening test if required, and sends a notification email to the manager and office administrator. Information Technology ensures the new hire has access on his or her first day to the following items: network, email, Oracle, ecosystem, Salesforce, and AECOM University. The manager creates the agenda in collaboration with the office administrator, provides technology requirements to the office administrator, sends a welcome email to the new hire, and completes day one onboarding activities. The delegate may be assigned as needed by the manager if the manager is not available to follow through on the required onboarding action items. Office Administrator orders technology requirements, responds to People Services with the required items, assists in completing the agenda and other tasks outlined in the email notification to the manager, sets up workstation, office supplies, etc., and reviews employee guidebook. Buddy is assigned by the manager, is a peer, is the new hire go-to for any questions, introduces the new hire to others and involves them in social activities, introduces AECOM's culture, system, process, and workplace, and is there for the new hire well beyond the employee's first day. How the onboarding process works. For United States hires, once the background check is cleared, and this may take 5 to 10 business days, you may begin the initial steps of the onboarding process. In Canada, initial steps begin once the candidate has accepted the offer. As the manager, you will receive an email like this from People Services to initiate the local process. During this stage, or step 1 of the process, a partial employee Oracle record is being created. In order to complete this task, People Services requires the following 5 pieces of information within 24 hours. 1. If applicable, the sub-business line. 2. Whether the employee will be a timekeeper. 3. The employee's supervisor. 4. The employee's work location. And 5. If there is a sign-on bonus, the project and task numbers. The bottom table contains critical action items. Please complete these tasks in coordination with your office administrator and delegate if applicable. In addition to this email notification, People Services will notify you that the background check has or has not met company standards, and initiate the IT request for email, network access, and Oracle. Step 2 addresses the onboarding agenda. Here you see the onboarding agenda, which represents one of the many components of our onboarding program. In collaboration with the office administrator, the manager will need to complete the agenda and decide how the employee's first day will flow. The advanced planning of the new hire's first day is a key responsibility of the manager and the main component of successful onboarding. Let's take a moment to focus on the agenda template. The areas shaded in blue require completion. This is where the onboarding team can customize the times and locations of onboarding tasks. Special instructions can be noted at the bottom of the agenda. By using a standardized agenda for an employee's first day, AECOM provides a consistent experience. It's important to ensure that our new hires are provided adequate time on their first day to go through these items prior to any work assignment being given. Finally, Step 3 addresses formal onboarding communications with the new hire. Communicating with the new hire prior to his or first day is critical. Our People Services team will provide the manager an email template and the new employee's personal email address to facilitate one of the communications. There are 2 areas shown in red that should be customized. Remember, the completed onboarding agenda should be attached to the email. This welcome email should be sent a week in advance of the employee's first day so they know exactly what to expect. Please carbon copy the office administrator as confirmation that this action has been completed. How to access materials and tools. The materials and tools required for the onboarding team and the new hire can be found in the Employee Center on Ecosystem. From the Ecosystem homepage, click Employee Center. Then, under the Welcome New Employee section, select DCS America's New Hire Orientation. This is where you will find documents, links, and required training as well as recommended training. Preparing in advance will ensure an enjoyable and impactful welcome experience. If you have any questions, please contact your office administrator.